Now I am going to discuss about lattice structure of IIR systems. Okay, so this same lattice structure which is used in FER filters also. So let us see the lattice structure. First write the system function of nth order IIR filters. As we already know the system function, that is h of z is equal to summation k is equal to 0 to m bk j power minus k divided by 1 plus k is equal to 1 to n ak z power minus k. So this is the system function for IIR filter. Okay, so let us consider only poles. Only poles means you have to consider only denominator part. Okay, so with system function, that is h of z is equal to 1 by, so this part, this is what, so this is ak. So you can write ak as a suffix n of z into z power minus k. So this can be written as 1 by a n of z. Okay, 1 by a for simplification purpose. This term you have to write it as a n suffix of z. Okay, now the difference equation for this IIR system is what? How to write this x of h of z? You can write y of z by x of z, output by input. That is equal to this system function. Okay, now cross multiply on both sides. Y of z plus this whole term which is equal to x of z, taking inverse z transform. Okay, now common this y of z 1 plus summation k is equal to 1 to a n of k z power minus k is equal to x of z. Okay, so now common part sent to right side. You can get minus summation k is equal to 1 to n of k z power minus k plus x of k. Okay, now y of n taking inverse z transform. So inverse z transform of y of z is y of n is equal to summation n of k. So this is z power minus k. You can write it as y of n minus k plus x of z as x of n. Okay, now interchange inputs and outputs. So outputs as inputs and input as output. Now y of n output as input, x of n is equal to summation. Okay, so k is equal to 1 to n a n of k y of n minus k plus 1 second. So in this equation, so before change to input and output, you have to write this x of n this side and take y of n as this one. So for that x of n is equal to, okay, so y of n as x of n is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to n a n of k y of n minus k plus y of n. Okay, now if you take a first order lattice structure for n is equal to 1, this is first order, then x of n is equal to, substitute y of n plus n is equal to 1, a1 of k is equal to 1, a1 of 1 plus y of n minus 1. Okay, so for this equation, okay, so realized in lattice structure, so you have to equate this equation with this lattice structure. See, so this is y of n. Okay, so y of n is equal to, I am taking other term as f naught of n, and x of n is equal to f1 of n. Here the constants are k1 and minus k. So this is z power minus 1 and g naught of n and g1 of n are, so here these two terms is used to realize the system function. Okay, now let us consider x of n is equal to f of n. Now see, so this is the lattice structure for first order filter. Okay, see here x of n is equal to what? F1 of n. y of n is equal to what? F naught of n. How to get this y of n? Here see, one input is y of n minus, okay, so minus k1, sorry sir. So here one input is f1 of n, other one is what? Here g naught of n minus 1 into minus k1. Okay, so this is f1 of n. How to get this y of n? One input is this, other input is this. Okay, so here is what? f1 of n minus, here the constant is what? Minus k1 into, so this is z inverse, you have to write it as relay as g naught of n minus 1. Okay, now, so y of n is equal to what? f1 of n is what? X of n minus k1 into, so g naught of n minus 1, you can write it as y of n minus 1. Okay, so in this equation, so you have to find out x of n is equal to, okay, so x of n is equal to what? Y of n plus k1 into y of n minus 1. Keep it as equation 4. Now g1 of n is equal to what? g1 of n, here k1, how to get this one? g1 of n, f naught of, so this is k1 into f naught of n plus, this is one input, and other one is what? g naught of n minus 1. Okay, so f naught of n is nothing but what? Y of n. Now k1 y of n plus, for g naught you can write it as y of n minus 1. Okay, so compare equation 3 and equation 4. So equation 3 is nothing but, equation 3 is x of n is equal to y of n plus a1 of n into y of n minus 1. So this is equation 3. Okay, so now you have to compare equation 3 with this one. Okay, compare equation 3 and 4. You have to equate k1 is equal to what? a1 of n. Okay, so these are for first order lattice structure. You see, if you find out for second order lattice structure, n is equal to 2. Okay, so how to find out? X of n is equal to what? You get f2 of 2. Y of n is equal to, see, you have to take this equation, y of n is equal to x of n minus a2 of 1 y of n minus 1 minus, okay, a2 of 2 y of n minus 2. Okay, y2 of n minus 2. So this is the lattice structure for n is equal to 2. Okay, so you have to consider, after drawing this structure, you have to equate with a2 of 1 which is equal to k1 and k2, and a1 of 1 which is equal to k1. Okay, now see, x of n is equal to f2 of n, y of n is equal to f naught of n. So this is a second order lattice structure, f naught of n, f1 of n and f2 of n, g naught of n, g1 of n and g2 of n. Here the constants for first order is k1, k2 and the second order is k2 minus k2. Okay, so now you have to write the equations. You have to equate equations for y of n and x of n equations. Now see, so this is the lattice structure for second order filter. So in this structure, what is f2 of 2? f2 of 2 is nothing but x of n. Okay, so this is f1 of n. How to get f1 of n? Okay, f1 of n which is equal to f2 of n minus K2 into G1 of n minus 1. Okay, so this is F1 of n. How to get this F1 of n? X of n or F2 of n minus K2 into G of Z inverse into G of n minus n. You can write it as G1 of n minus 1. Okay, next, how to get G2 of n? So this is F1 and this is G2 of n. How to get G2 of n? One is K2 into F1 of n, K2 into F1 of n plus Z inverse into G1 of n minus 1 is G1 of n minus 1. Okay, now how to get F1, F0 of n? One is F1 of n minus K1 into G0 of n minus 1. How to get G1 of n? Here K1 into F0 of n plus G0 into Z inverse, that is G0 into n minus 1. Now y of n is equal to what? F0 of n, which is equal to what? G0 of n. So this can be written as y of n is equal to what? F1 of n minus, so minus K1 into G0 of n minus 1. Okay, now how to get F1 of n? F2 of n minus K2 into G1 of n minus 1 minus K1 into G0 of n minus 1. Okay, now so F2 of n minus, okay, how to get F2 of n? How to get F2 of n? F2 of n is nothing but what? Here F2 of n is nothing but x of n. Now F2 of n minus K2 into, so how to get G1 of n minus 1? Here K2, so this is K2. How to get F0 of n minus, sorry, G1 of n minus 1? Here, that is K1 F0 of n minus 1 plus G0 of f minus 2 minus, this is 1 minus K1 into G0 of n, sorry, this is 2 for second order, K1 into G0 of n minus 1 using equation 5. So this is equation 5, y of n is equal to, so you have to write G0 as y of n minus y of y term and G0 as y term. Okay, so after that, what is F2 of n? F2 of n is equal to x of n minus, so here y of n and y of n common. Okay, then you can get K1 into y1 plus K2 into y of n minus 2 minus K2 into y of n minus 2. Similarly, so for G2, so here is G2. G2 means what? G2 is what? K2 into F1, K2 into F1 of 1. So F1 of n you can write it as y of n plus, okay, so K1 into 1 plus K2 into y of n minus 1 plus y of n minus 2. So as the same way we have followed for y of n, so you can do for G2 of n. Okay, so after that, so this is the equation for, so this is the equation already wrote, రబ్ చేసేసాను. సో దాని గురించి నేను మళ్ళీ రాసిన ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ 4b ఈక్వేషన్. సో కంపేర్ 4b ఈక్వేషన్ విత్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్. దిస్ ఇస్ y of n. ఓకే, నౌ a2 of 0, this is a2 of 0 is equal to 1. a2 of 1 is equal to k1 into 1 plus k2. Okay, next a2 of 2 is equal to k2. Okay, so this is the comparison for equation 4b and equation 6. So for if you find for nth order lattice structure, how to draw for nth order lattice structure? See, so this is the n stage AER filter having n number of stages. So we have determined only for first order and second order filters. Okay, this is an n stage AER filters. So these lattice structure of IR filters mainly used for speech processing.